Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and it is like past 7:30 now. I just went out and made buff pee. Hindi siya nagpupo-wiwi lang and nilalagnat pa din siya. Last night before sleeping, pinanasan ko siya ng wipes sa mga kilikili niya. Sabi ng doktor na kasi it might help lowering down the fever. May fever pa din siya. I was supposed to wake up earlier today, but I was so tired from yesterday. Hindi ko kinaya. So, my plans today are, well, it's my dad's birthday. So, that's one. So, I have to take Nimbus to the grooming place. I have to go to my dad and visit. And I have to work out. Then, I have to make this video. And I have to start taking photos for my other account. And then maybe I can record the cover. So yun. But first and foremost, I need to make yung ano ni Buff, food ni Buff. But if it's already 8, I have to go to the grooming place para dalhin ko na si Nimbus para tapos na. That's it for the update. Yesterday, I found my old camera. Yung isa yung DG camera, isa yung DSLR. Actually, yung DG camera yung first camera ko na ginamit for vlogging. Tapos yung DSLR ko, yun yung sa mom ko na binigay niya sa akin kasi I had this photography class in college. Tapos dito din naman niya ginagamit. So, binigay na niya sa akin. I'll get Nimbus ready and then pupunta na kami sa groomer. Tapos luluto ako ng food ni Buff. And then bigyan ko siyang gamot. Then I work out. Guys, we are at the grooming place. I forgot to bring my camera so I'm vlogging with my phone. Andito po si Nimbus. This is here. Nimbus, magpapagroom ha? You have to be nice. And then, sama si Charcoal. Nandun sila ni Gunat sa loob. Nag-i-inquire. And then si Moose din. Ayan. Moose! So, nag-boil ako ng egg and liver. 2 scoops. This is Buff's water for this morning. Guys, ready na yung food ni Buff. So, that's liver and boiled egg na kinatkat ko. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Itong gagawin kong intro. Say, like and subscribe!
Give medicine.
Ano?
Give medicine.
Yeah. Say, today,
Today,
we're gonna give medicine. Say, medicine!
Sabihin mo. Anong sabi mo? Hindi ka sabihin mo yan. Anong sabi mo? Oh,
So, una is Doxy.
Wala na. Wala na Spider-Man.
Antibacterial. Ang antibacterial ba nina yung parang antibiotic? Iba pa yun? Anti-infective, antibacterial.
Yun na sa'yo, ma'am.
Buff will drink medicine. Remember, you also drink medicine pero nagwawala ka? 3 ml. Wow.
Elvin suot ni Jago. Saan ako pag-ipags niya? Binababaan niya ako. Sabihin mo, di ba binababaan? No.
Hi!
Hi, Mars! Hoy, Nika!
Appetite booster.
Ayaw mo. Naiwan pala si Blake pati sa atin dyan.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Akala niyo. Isa si Mami pati si Ate Michelle kagabi. See you drink this also, Nika. Di mo man ako mahal, dito pa rin ako.
Yun na. Mars? Mars?
Last one na.
Joke.
Good job.
hi good.
Say hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog. Hold. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Today,
Today,
I am...
SM.
Anong SM? Hi, guys. We are going to my daddy's... Ano tawag sa ganun? Puntod. My daddy's puntod. Kaya Alan, mag-hi ka sa vlog. Ayan. So, hi, vlog.
Hi.
Hindi ko naman kita.
Saan ka?
Ayan, say hi. Tapos bibili din kami ng... Hindi, sama-sama na tayo. Para isang ikot na. Hindi na natutulungan si Kuya Alan. Ito, tina na pala na. Iwan ko sana si Cloud dun para hindi masyadong...
Sige, iwan mo na. Hindi siya mag-sclub.
Oo, kuya. Diyan, sama mo dun. May sakit din yan.
Pala itam lahi.
Kaya sila
Tuwa ng ulan eh, malamig.
May, yung mga kaibigan ko din sa Manila, may aso sila. Nagsilagnatan din pagkatapos ng bagong taon.
Parang natakot sa paputok.
Nagtamlay. Oo.
Tuwa ng...
Gusto kong bumili ng parang stand pang kotse. May ganun ba? For camera?
Hindi kita.
May kita.
Hindi pinapatong.
We're here at my dad's puntod. Dumaan kami muna ng grocery. Oh, wow. Dumaan muna kami ng ganda. Dumaan muna kami ng grocery kasi bumili kami ng kandila. But ito yung bulaklak na ganda. Tabingi talaga siya. Diba dapat nasa gitna yan? But yeah, happy birthday, Daddy. Daddy. Kasama namin si Cloud. Cloud, say hi to your dad. It's your dad. Iihiyan niya tong bulaklak, I am sure. Boom. Tiniligan pa nga. Isa pa. Boom. We're gonna go back for the candle. Hi guys. I am going to work out. Kasi kung hindi, kailan pa akong go-work out? What time? I wanna rest. But I need to work out first. I'm gonna get my socks. And then after, papakainin ko si Buff. Hi guys. We are at the gym. Well, our home gym. It's pretty messy right now. So we have the treadmill here and then the bike thingy majigger there. Tapos, these are the boxes for the Christmas decorations. Kaya nakakalat pa siyang ganyan. And then the instruments. Dapat kasi yung mga instruments na yan nandito sa other room. But my mom doesn't want. Para itong room na to, it's just purely for the gym. Then we have this bed. Ito yung bed ko dati, if you guys remember. And then, mat. Tapos here are my ukay stuff. Yeah, meron akong ukay IG store. And if you guys are looking for pre-loved items, I have it there. I do sell bags, clothes, shoes. So it's all there. And then, ito yung old TV and speakers na need ko rin i-post kasi bibenta na yan because we don't need it here anymore. Actually, okay pa siya talaga. But my mom bought a replacement, so that's gotta go. That's gotta go. But yeah, sana by tomorrow or like today, I could clean this and those. But first, let's work out. So I'm already in my workout outfit. Actually, kanina pa, pagising ko pa lang, nagbihis na ako. But medyo tinamad ako. So ngayon, there's no going back. Every time I go here, I start first with turning on the Wi-Fi. May router kasi para mabato dito yung Wi-Fi. And then I open the window so that air comes in. I usually bring Buff with me here, but may sakit nga siya, so I don't want to bother her. She's napping right now. After I work out, I am going to feed her. Same thing, liver. Di pa rin siya nagpupupo. So that's something that inaabangan ko. The 3 dogs are in the groomers. Susunduin namin sila mamaya after lunch daw. Tapos yun, I'm gonna work out first. was my first time doing abs and arms again. I'm dying. I'm gonna jog for 15 minutes. So that's the last one. And then, niligo na ako. Nandito sila, Papa's North, and maybe pupunta kami sa mountain house. Yeah, we have to fetch the dogs first from the grooming place. Grabe. I hate not working out. Sobrang wala ako sa kondisyon. But, at least we're trying. Ayusin ko lang tong treadmill. I am done working out, so now I am going to take a bath and eat and feed Buff. Feed Buff first, then take a bath, then eat. Pwede ka na ba makita si Moose? Fully groomed.
Bakit po si Moose? Hindi ba
Ginupitan po to?
Oo, 3. Lamit yung mukha niya.
Gusto ko siyang timbangin. Timbangin.
Makatumot. 3 kilos lang pala yan.
3.4. Pwede ka kang gawin.
Hi, baby!
Kamusta po? Mabait?
Mabait!
Sure ba?
Hindi pwede with the bear gun! You're so bago! Oo nga pala, makatakbo to isa. Ate, buhatin mo sa charcoal.
Wait lang, titimbangin ko ba sa yung boss?
Tanggal na po yung bulin dito.
Thank you. Ha? Babayaran ko lang.
Grabe. What is that? Naglas! Yan! Nabasa ulit siya!
Hi guys! We are full camp! Wow, upo ka pa talaga sa upuan ha? Yung ba si... Come here, show your face. Oh, cute you are. You're so cute. Baby! Okay, we're going now. Ito ang thumbnail ko. Busi sa baba. Ay, wag yung lot of trees. Odo. Huwag mo na mababasa. Wow, parang trim na trim yung hair natin, ha? Saan siya nagpag-groom natin dyan din?
Pero yun yung pinapagod ko talaga siya.
Now we're going to my dad to greet him happy birthday. Nadala mo na kay daddy yan? Gonna greet daddy happy birthday. Ay, gusto kong bumili ng cake. Ate Jay, we're buying red ribbon. Oh, may jug work.
Screenshot mo.
Sige, screenshot ko kayo. Laki ng ulo niyo.
You're just bigger than mine.
You want to say hi to friends? Hi, friends. Moose? Moose! Say hi, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I am Moose. Look at that! Niligo na talaga ako. Oh my God. Wow. Ay, ito yung talaga naman. Hi, Daddy! Sit dali, picture. Picture kayong Daddy.
Sit. Sit.
Ang likot talaga.
Sit. Sit na yan.
Baka yung kandila. Musalina, sit na. Bilis, ang init. Nimbos, come here. Come here. So, Mus, how was your experience? Nakita mo ulit si Daddy. Version ba yan? Baho eh. Going home. Hi guys! Kakatapos ko lang maligo and I will now try to comb my hair. I'm gonna try to comb this hair. And ito ba ang gagawin ko? I wanna... What time is it? Kasi alis kami. 4:30. So I have an hour and a half to do what I need to do. So one is I wanna record a video for makeover so that I could post it on Instagram. Ano muna? Ang hirap talaga. I got the package. So let's open it. So here's the package. Medyo madami ako in-order sa Shopee, pero I don't wanna, you know, wait to open them just for the sake of the vlog. But this are nipple tapes. So, ito yung brand na ginagamit ko. Ito yung nipple tape. They're called Sleek. And super okay siya. Honestly, compared sa tapies, mas okay ito. And then, I also got one for my aunt who's been wanting. Sabi ko, sige, bilhan ko na lang. So, that's for her. Tada! So, I always buy 2 whenever I reorder. Para, you know, if I need to change na, I have an extra. So, I need to wrap this. Pero mamaya. Just need to throw this one. Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa bundok. And I'm gonna do the house tour. Paul, nakita mo yung sarili mo sa vlog? Nag-post ako ng vlog. Sabi mo, hi guys!
Hi guys!
It's me again.
It's me again, Paul.
What up? So, ito na yung house. Dinadagdagan siya ng another parang mini house dyan sa ilalim. But, yung taas, okay na siya. So, dun tayo. That's Papa Smurf. Uncle Arnold! Uncle Arnold!
110 to, 110. Nakasando, 110. Nakasando, 110. Wow, vlog.
Yeah, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, hello. Welcome to
Mother, I'm home!
Welcome to
I've missed you! Ang sakit ang legs ko, buisit! Guys, ito yung view! Wow! So, what would you rate the house?
10.
Wow! Papa Smurf, I bought fish bowl. Let's do a house tour, pero magulo. This is the living room. And then that's the kitchen. Ay, Papa Smurf, gusto mo ng kape?
Ay, nagkakapi na ako.
Ah, nagkakape na ikaw. Papa Smurf, say hi to the vlog. Ito si Papa Smurf. My father and coach. Si Papa. Wow, may ganito. Ma'am, welcome to our flight.
Trash.
You wanna borrow my slippers? Can I? Yeah. So, this is the kitchen. Wow, bukas na yung ref. Ito, meron ng ganito. Stools. Then, faucet. Ang favorite ko talaga tong faucet na to.
Bukas gagawin na pala ito.
Sabi. Yung?
Itong granite. Ito ano dito? Bato.
Ah, okay. Ayan.
Kaya ako din nakauwi. Hindi ka bukas. Dapat uwi ako ngayon, di ba? Sabado.
Yeah. So, gawin pa daw yun. So, this is the stove. Tapos merong range hood. And, yeah. So, this is the kitchen.
Kay Sir yata yan.
Gusto mo yun yung house tour. Napaka... Wow! And then, this is the eating area. Hindi pa siya fully done. But, so far, ayan siya. So, may dining table na. Dati, we used to use the lifetime table. And then, meron ditong closet. Ah, closet nga. Parang pantry. So, nandyan yung mga yarn. And, here is the comfort room, the CR. May tao ba? Dito sa baba. Yan. So, this is the CR. May shower, toilet. Lalagyan pa yan ng parang shower wall tuba. Now we go upstairs. And then, may closet din dito. Then, let's go upstairs. This is the room. So, isang bedroom lang siya. Ito yung beds. And then, may closet here. Whoa. And another comfort room here. So, may shower din, just like the one sa first floor. Pero hiningal lang ako dun. And then, mga sampay dito. Tapos dapat kasi kwarto din yun sa taas, pero hindi na natuloy kasi it's too small and it's delikado. Baka may mauntok daw. So, hindi na lang. So, gagawin na lang siyang storage. Let's look at the view dito sa taas. Because why not? Whoa, look at that view. Turn on the light here. Ang cute ng light dito, guys. Look, there's like a bird. So cute. So yeah, this is the bedroom. Hallway, pababa. And then, ang bango naman, Tito, ikaw ba yun? Ang bango mo! And then, this is the backyard. Backyard again! Hi, Ma! Snob. Ito yung backyard. And that's the house tour! Okay, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Say bye, Riley. Bye!